here's the hood so far, going up to round 7. Just as a quick recap, for rounds 1 to 3, we worked in the round, in joined rounds, and then from 4 to 7, we worked in rows where we did chain 3, turn, and then double crochet across. So we have, because we worked in rows, we have this little opening here, no longer going in circles. And what you're going to do for this next round actually is work on the bottom edge of the hood. So here it is, held with the top up. I'm going to turn it upside down like so, and we're going to single crochet across the bottom edge. So I'll demonstrate that right now. What you'll do is first chain 1, and then we're going to work single crochets across the bottom edge. And the purpose of this is to make it look nice and neat instead of not having an edging. Gives it kind of this uneven bumpiness, which I don't like. So I'm just going to single crochet across, and you see how once I do that, it creates a nice little straight edge. So that's what you'll be doing as well, working single crochets across the bottom here. I'm just going into these spaces that I see. Oops. And there. So once I have finished that single crochet across the whole bottom edge, I am actually going to fasten off. So here, I'm going to snip that end like so. And that concludes the bottom edging part. Now we're going to do the straps. So once you've got the bottom done, we're going to go ahead and attach yarn to do the straps of this bonnet. To do that, we're actually going to be crocheting, let me turn this here. Yep. We're going to be attaching yarn back to the corner of the, let's see, of round 7 here. So I'm going to insert my hook there to show you. Here's the top of the hood, here's the bottom edge, and I'm going to insert my hook into the very corner of this hood. I'm actually going to be working in the back loops only. So let me make sure, yep, that was it. I'm attaching to the back loops. So what you're going to do first is start off with a long yarn strap, and the reason for that is because it's going to be your hood. So start off with that long end, and then you're going to attach yarn like so. You can always have a slightly longer strap to be safe and then trim it later if you need. And then I'm going to go here working in the back loops only. Excuse me, single crochet in the back loops only. As you work in these back loops, you'll notice that you have this really neat texture going on here. and it'll look lovely when you finish up the bonnet. Once you get to the very end of this edge, you're going to fasten off, and I'm just pulling the yarn strap here to make sure, the yarn end here, because I want them to be the same length, roughly the same length. And once you fasten off with this long yarn end, what you'll notice is that you have 2 hood straps. So what you'll do now is simply weave in the ends for this little one here. You don't want to weave in those hood straps though, because you'll be using them to tie for your doll. All right. Quickly pull this through. Now I'll weave in this end as well. There are a variety of ways to weave in the ends. I choose to just use my crochet hook to go in through my stitches and pull the yarn ends in. And you should probably be using a crochet hook that's smaller than the one you used for the project. If you're using the same size like I am, it's going to get a little fiddly. The hood is done with the nice little edging on the inside and those hood straps, and you can go ahead and tie them around your doll's neck.